Hello, it's Tia.
And Simon.
And today we're just going to do a short video. We've got some home stuff to do, some important stuff. We're going to try out these Yummy Keycaps. We're going to put them on our keys. So Simon's got one and I've got one for our keys. Right?
Which one do you hope you get?
I kind of want, let's see, there's a little cookie and a cup of coffee, an egg, a cupcake, donut, a strawberry, and a birthday cake. I kind of hope I get the cup of coffee. I think that one. Is that the one you want?
Yeah, that's the one I want.
Okay. Well, or the cookie. Cookie or coffee. I don't know. Okay.
All right.
Ready to open?
Yeah, you go first.
All right. Let's see. I can already tell. Oh, I got a cookie!
She got the cookie!
Oh, look at the little cookie.
Whoa!
Yummy! My keys are going to be so excellent. Okay, Simon, open yours.
All right. Ready?
Yeah, ready. For the camera. Let's see.
Oh, sorry.
What'd you get? Oh, a donut! Look, it's such a happy donut. Look how happy they are. Look how happy.
Cute smiley face.
Oh, you are getting hungry. Very hungry.
Don't hypnotize the people out there.
Okay, so now we're going to put them on our keys. Well, I guess we have to take the keys off of the... No? You don't think so? Simon's going to show me how we do it without...
Do the ring?
What are you doing? It's a key cap.
Is it a keycap?
Yeah.
Oh.
You have to take the key off.
See? I'm wrong. Nothing new there, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing new there.
I was thinking I couldn't figure it out. I don't know how we... Now watch us struggle to take the keys off the keychain.
I'll be right back.
Okay, so now we have the key off of the keychain. And take the cap. And I took the chain off of the cap. So then I'm gonna just slide the cap right on the key. Then you put the chain through the hole in the key and the hole in the cap to secure it. That way the chain doesn't pull up the cap up and off the key.
And the chain's actually going through the key here too, so it'll make sure it's secure.
And then if you have good manual dexterity, you can put the chain back on the key. And ta-da! You have a happy cookie key. Yay! I actually love these things, actually. Okay, and now, ta-da! Yummy Keycaps.
There we are.
Yeah, quite like them.
Well.
Okay. Bye.
Join us next time.
Yeah.